Hello, I am Andrew, and today I am going to talk about the gym. So, watch and listen. Right now, the time is 11 o'clock in the morning, or 11 a.m. And today is Saturday, yes. The weekend, days of the week and the weekend. Today is the weekend. And outside, the weather is not great. No, today is windy and cloudy. Okay, so today I am going to talk about the gym, where you go to lift weights, to run on the treadmill, to run on the treadmill, and to look good. Do I look good today? Is this what I look like today? No, this is not me. This is me today. But this is what I want to look like. So today I have decided I am going to go to the gym. Yes. So I get up off my chair and phone a taxi. I phone a taxi. Hello, could you please take me to the gym? Okay, we will be there in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay, great. I will see you in 20 minutes. So, I put on my sweat band, my vest, my shorts, and my shoes, and wait for the taxi to come. Okay, so here I am at the gym, looking into the mirror and posing. Look at me, I look great. No, okay. So, what should I work on today? Should I work on my legs? Should I go to the barbell? Barbell is long, dumbbell is short, dumbbell is for curls, barbell long is for other exercises. Should I work on my legs today? Should I go to the barbell and do squats when you bend your knees, squats, or deadlifts when you bend over and lift the weight like this. Should I work on my legs today? No, because that would be hard. No. Today I am going to work on my beach body. Beach. Today I am going to work on my beach body. My arms, and my chest. Yes. So first I go over to the dumbbell rack. The rack holds the dumbbells. But because I am not strong like this guy, I pick up the smallest dumbbell, the lightest weight. Light, heavy. Oh, heavy, light, heavy. I pick up the smallest dumbbell and go over to the mirror. So I can see myself looking good. Yes. And I do six reps. 6 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 reps on each side, on each arm. First my right arm, then my left arm. And I do this 3 times on each side for a total of 18 reps on each arm. So 18 on my right arm and 18 on my left arm. Now I am feeling good. So I go back to the dumbbell rack and put down my dumbbell, the lightest dumbbell, and stupidly pick up the biggest dumbbell, the heaviest dumbbell, and go back to the mirror. This time I try to do 6 reps, but after half of 1 rep on my right arm, I cannot lift the dumbbell. No. So I fail. I go back to the dumbbell rack, put down the weight and decide to move on. Next in my routine today is my chest. So I go over to the bench press to do bench press for my chest. I decide to put 30 kilograms on each side. 30 plus 30 equals 60. So for a total of 60 kilograms. But I forget that the bar weighs 20 kilograms as well. So I think that I am going to lift 60 kilograms, but I am actually going to lift not 60 but 80 kilograms. So I take the barbell off the rack and bring it to my chest like this, but I cannot lift it off my chest. No. And luckily, another person sees me struggling with the weight, so he comes and helps me lift the bar back onto the rack. That was close, very close to being really bad. So I then take 20 kilograms off each side. So now there is 10 kilograms on each side plus the 20 kilogram bar for a total of 40 kilograms. I take the bar off the rack again and do 6 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I do this 3 times for a total of 18 reps. Now I am feeling really good. I go back to the mirror and pose. Yes. Now, what should I do next? Should I go to the punch bag, throw some punches, some jabs, and some hooks? No. Too difficult. What about the treadmill? Should I go for a run? Okay, a short run. I get on to the treadmill and turn the speed to 10 kilometers per hour. 10 kilometers per hour. And start to jog. This is easy, or at least I think this is easy. But after 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, I am knackered. I am sweating and I am out of breath. So I get off the treadmill and pick up my towel. I pick up my towel and wipe my face and my arms. What should I do now? I think that this is enough for today and this year. This year, yes. So I decide that I am going to return to the gym in another 365 days. Because I am lazy. Yes. Okay, so this is all for today and my trip to the gym. Thank you for watching and listening to me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.